Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I've got the base for the week of June 7th through the 13th using the Pride Pool Party kit from SPC. So for the foil, I used a combo of rainbow and hollow, and I actually used 4 different styles of Funderlays this week because I have literally no chill, and I'm very unhappy to report that I'm obsessed with it because RIP my bank account. But yeah, I layered in my Juneteenth and 4th of July spreads as well, and it just looks so good in person. I'm not going to do it every week though, because that's just too much and I need to calm down. But for this one, I alternated between hollow confetti under the rainbows from Planner Choco, and then I used rainbow confetti from Girl Boss Anna under the hollow rainbows from Planna Hannah. And then the overlays were a combo of Planner Choco and SPC. Okay, so that's everything for the base, I think. So I'm going to hop into the last of the Q&A questions. I think I can get through the last few in this one. Okay, so first up we have, who is your celebrity crush? Look, I'm boy crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. So it'd probably be faster to just say who I don't have a crush on, honestly. But basically, the very condensed version is that my type is soccer players, boys in bands, and Paul Rudd. Also, Michael B. Jordan, Oscar Isaac, Ryan Gosling, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Jason Sudeikis, they could all get it. But good God, soccer players are just the hottest men on planet Earth, and I will die on that hill. Next up we have, what is your favorite movie? It's Almost Famous. It always has been, always will be. Not to be dramatic, but it changed my life, and I am who I am because of it. My other favorites are Sing Street, Everybody Wants Some, Dazed and Confused, Inside Llewyn Davis, Little Miss Sunshine, Dead Poets Society, Fargo, The Graduate. Basically, coming of age is my favorite genre. So if you have any suggestions or recommendations, please let me know. Next up is Halloween or Valentine's Day. Look, Halloween, no question. I literally could not care less about Valentine's Day. Even if I were in a relationship, I'm just too awkward of a human being to be able to handle Valentine's Day. Next question is, what would you have been named if you were a boy? Ew, okay. Allegedly Arthur or Raoul, because I guess my parents thought those sound good with my brother's name, which is Pierre. But ew, imagine me as an Arthur or a Raoul. I just cannot. And no shade to those names, I just would not personally love that journey for myself. And I think there are a million other names that sound better with Pierre. But also, our parents have never once called us by our real names anyway, so whatever. Next question is, what is your middle name? It is Marie Gabrielle. So my name as a whole is very fucking long. Next question is, what jobs have you had? I've actually only had 3. My first job was at Party City, and then in college I worked seasonally at Victoria's Secret in the beauty department, and my current job, which is credit card customer service. Oh, and I interned at a local news station in the social media department for a summer when I was in college. Next is, what is your best physical feature? Hands down, my eyes, for sure. I think they're really pretty. Not to be cocky, but I do have nice eyes. And I feel like my nose is also cute too. And I don't know if it counts as a physical feature necessarily, but my voice, it's the one thing that literally everyone comments on. What was the last movie you saw in theaters? Onward, like a week before everything shut down. I haven't been back to the movies yet since getting vaxxed. Nothing has really been calling me, but I am absolutely seeing Shang-Chi in theaters whenever it comes out. Okay, next, describe yourself in one sentence. Well, I'm a Gemini with ADHD, so interpret that how you will. Next question is, what was your first tattoo? I got the lyrics, "When the music dies, the apparitions of melody will rise," by a band called Kids in the Way because I was 18 and very dramatic. Okay, next question is, what's the last show you watched? Ted Lasso, of course. Ted Lasso is literally all I do with my life currently. And then the last question is, what's one guilty pleasure you can't give up? Of course, Big Brother, you guys know. I eat, breathe, sleep Big Brother. I'm obsessed. Alright, so that is going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.